defense for Team Montreal, no? So medyo naubusan sila dito because of this speedster ng mga taga San Jacinto and the likes of Almini, Matos, and of course Kenneth Sabio. At dito naman sa kabila, good addition din itong dalawang import natin na si Mac Aquino at si Joey Albaitar. So but again, may mga players din itong mga taga Montreal na hindi maglalaro ngayon. So, kasi daw may mga lakad. So tingnan natin kung ano ang gagawin at sino pa ang tutulong dito sa dalawang guest player nitong Montreal. But again, 0-3 ang standing nila. Naghahanap pa rin sila ng panalo dito. But again, ito namang San Jacinto, tingnan natin kung magtutuloy-tuloy talaga ang kanilang winning streak dito, partner. With a clean record of 3-0 dito sa ating liga, dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. At sa parting ito ng Masbate, itong District 1, partner.
Yes, next week, partner. Yun na nga, pakaabangan natin ang ating District 2 talaga.
Yes, and, District 2 at yung District 3 din. Dyan na po tayo sa mainland Masbate. And if I'm not mistaken, sa pagbabalik natin dyan, ang first venue natin ay yung Aroroy.
Ay, magandang ano dyan.
So, partner, may Leonel Dianto ka pa na hindi pa nag-perform masyado, no?
Tama ka dyan, partner. And listen to this crowd as they celebrate dahil 3-point lead na lang po from sa high of kanina, double digits na kalamangan.
Yes, partner, 13 points.
Yes, 13 points. Ngayon, 3 puntos na lang ang hinahabol nitong home team na Montreal. So, tingnan natin if Mac Aquino will lead the charge for Montreal and Joey Albaitar will be consistent pagdating sa ilalim.
Yes, partner. So, yan na nga. If gano'n ang mangyayari, for sure, ako, partner, may pag-asa dito itong mga taga Montreal. Pag gano'n ang laruan nila, comes the fourth quarter. So, titingnan natin kung magtutuloy-tuloy ba yan. And again, kung magtutuloy-tuloy din ang panalo nitong San Jacinto.
Mind you, partner, they're still undefeated dito sa ating liga, and while naman si Montreal talaga is very, very, very hungry to snatch their first victory sa ating liga.
Yes, partner. So talagang yun po sa lahat ng ating mga late viewers, and pwede nyo po kami mapanood sa aming mga social media platforms, no? At ito, coming up na itong fourth quarter. So social media platforms natin, you can dito. Good game on Team San Jacinto. But again, partner, this is a ball game. Dapat talaga, sabi ko nga, dapat ready ka, and of course, kung sanay ba yung Team San Jacinto sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, no?
Yes, tama ka dyan. So, what a way to end our triple header, partner. An overtime and an upset win dito para sa Montreal. So, this is Ako Bicol Cup Masbate, partner. What more can you ask?
Yun nga, sabi nga natin, napakagandang ending para dito sa ating triple header. But tomorrow, we'll still have a game, partner. And mapapalaban pa rin doon on that game itong mga taga San Jacinto kontra sa San Fernando na wala din talo.
That is a good matchup, partner.
Good matchup yan.
Battle of the Giants.
But again, yun na nga, ang sinasabi natin na, diba, nung nakaraan, this Montreal squad is saying, okay lang sa amin, matalo, manalo, basta nandito kami, participating in Ako Bicol Cup, masaya na kami doon. This is an exposure for our players, kasi kaya nung unang mga laro nila, puro locals ang kanilang inilalaro, no? Right now, siguro, partner, gusto talaga nila to end this Ako Bicol Cup stint nila na may panalo, partner.
Pero don't look lang, partner.
Kasi tomorrow, diba? Maybe another win pa for them. So we don't know. But again, as you can see some highlights of this game. So kudos to this Montreal team, and congratulations again to San Jacinto team, partner.
Yes, maraming salamat po. And right now, yun na nga, ending the game with a 3-point lead ito. And Joey Albaitar, a monstrous ball game, partner, with 26 points and 22 rebounds. Grabe naman yun, partner. Talagang a solid outing para dito kay Joey Albaitar. And also dito naman sa side ng San Jacinto, si Mark Brian Albiñe, even though struggling sa fourth quarter na sa overtime, scored 24 points pa din. So talagang sayang nung effort. And also missing the scoring of this San Jacinto squad is ito nga si Roel Gigantoka, who scored 11 points lang, partner.
And he was the kasurog player of the game during their last outing, partner.
And
So
siguro the Joey Albaitar effect.
Oo, yun nga.
Ang,
But again, sayang yon for Team San Jacinto. But again, partner, may chance pa sila, partner, para bumawi itong mga taga San Jacinto. And congratulations once again. And of course, allow me to greet yung mga taga Kamsur, partner, and all the Bicolanos who is watching sa atin dito sa Ako Bicol Cup. Hello po sa inyong lahat.
Yes.
To Lucena, Sepe family, sa Kamsur, Bara family, back to basic basketball.
yes.
Hello sa inyo dyan, and good luck in your games.
And
And
also,
maraming salamat.
I would like to greet my brothers from Albay Basketball Community. Magandang gabi sa inyo, mga kapatid. And also my constituents from Kawit East, Washington Drive. Magandang gabi. And to my family, Bachel family, my mom, my dad, and sa dalawang anak ko. And yun na nga, paulit-ulit ko sasabihin, what a way to end our triple header game. Nanalo ang home team kontra dito sa Powerhouse San Jacinto.
Congratulations po. And again, tomorrow, we still have a last day of our elimination. If I'm not mistaken, partner, nasa San Fernando tayo.
Yes, napakaganda ng venue daw dyan,
Tito R.
partner.
Espinosa,
Yes,
Sports and Cultural Center.
yes, and also would like to greet my friend, si Miss Julianne, who is watching right now. And right now, we have a report kay Miss Jessa, may kasama ang ating kasurog best player of the whole game. And the name is Wadi Jan Bachiller and Coach Paul Sepe. Jessa, take it away.